Hey guys, good morning. Today, it's a beautiful day in New Jersey. I am going to a hot air balloon festival with Sara later on today, but I wanted to take you along for a full day of eating. I think it's going to be a really beautiful day. So right now I am at the gym. It is technically my rest day from my triathlon training, but the step instructor that I really like, she's been out for like 3 or 4 weeks due to an injury, and today's her first day back, so I really wanted to be there. So I'm not triathlon training today, I'm just taking a step aerobics class. I have started my day with a bottle of water with half a Zip Fizz mixed in, and then also just a regular bottle of water I've been sipping on as well. So, come on. That was awesome. I hadn't done a step class in like 3 or 4 weeks, so that was a lot of fun. I burned like 600 calories, great way to start my day. I'm gonna head home, take a shower, change, and drive to New York. But first, I'm actually gonna have a snack because I'm hungry. Have y'all had these Stoka bars? They're like, it's like a granola bar, but it's only 4 net carbs, and they're super good. I mean, seriously, look at that. I'm gonna eat it with like a tablespoon of peanut butter because I'm indulgent like that. These are amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna shower.
Hi guys, we're at the Hudson Valley Hot Air Balloon Festival. This is me, Sara, and Chella. Hi!
Which one did you try?
I tried the ahi tuna.
And how was it?
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Tastes like tuna.
Yeah.
So we went to this jerky hut place where they have all these fancy jerkies, and I got ostrich, venison, kangaroo, bison, gator, and elk, and they look amazing, and they're all of them are 2 grams of fat, 2 carbs, and 12 grams of protein per ounce. So low-ish carb, but I just wanted to try the different exotics. Now that I took the easy part off.
So you got the lamb sausage.
With some kind of relish.
How is it?
It's good.
Does it taste like a normal hot dog? No.
But it doesn't taste like lamb either. It's very spicy
Uh-oh.
in a strange way.
So we saw a little barbecue truck, and this is a ½ pound of brisket. I asked the guy if they had like any sauce on it, and he said no. Like all the sauces were on the side. Basically, it's just like cooked and smoked with a dry rub, and then sauces were optional. So skip the sauce, it looks amazing. So it's really good, but it's a little bit dry. Fortunately, I have brought mayonnaise in my purse. I've recently learned that like people in the north just don't really eat a whole lot of mayonnaise on their hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff, and I love mayonnaise, so I always keep this in my purse, and I'm gonna put some in here and dip it. It's gonna be amazing. So today has been really awesome. This is like super beautiful. What'd you think?
It was really pretty.
Yeah, it's incredible. Like first, like one balloon went up, and then like all these balloons started popping up, and like you don't even realize there's like another one and another one. There's like so many.
You could turn around, it was like, oh, balloon right behind you, move.
And they're massive. They're enormous. Anyway, this has been a lot of fun. Thanks for inviting me.
Great, you can come.
So I had a wonderful time with Sarah. It was a great day. The weather was great. I filled up my water bottle before I left her house. I just stopped for gas and I realized I'm a little hungry, so I picked up a couple snacks. Let me show you. These pickles, no carbs. This block of cheese, no carbs. And 2 hard-boiled eggs, which I've never gotten hard-boiled eggs from a gas station before, but how bad could it be? I have like an hour and a half ride home, so I'm gonna munch on these on the drive. Alright guys, I am back home. I had the cheese and the pickles, only one of the hard-boiled eggs. I guess I had forgotten how like aggressively bland hard-boiled eggs are when there's no salt. But anyway, it was a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will pop my approximate macros in here. Obviously the brisket I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, it was a great day. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.